Very good morning to all of you. So I am now going to describe the second part of chapter number 13, articles, English grammar class 5. In this video, I would like to describe the use of the, which is a definite article. As I have already explained you about the use of the is a definite articles, and there are many of the processes where the can be used. Okay, in many forms the can be used here. Okay, the is called as a definite article because it points to a specific noun. Okay, I have already explained you. It can be used with a singular as well as a plural noun. Okay, the can be used with the singular and plural nouns. Okay, now let's see the rule of the use of the. Rule number 1: the is used to refer a noun. Okay, rule 1 explains how the is used to refer a noun. For example, the dog is barking here. Noun is dog. The is used before the noun, which is article, and dog is being expressed by the in this sentence, that the dog is barking. Okay. Rule 2: the is used to refer to a noun that the listener knows. That means the can be used to refer a noun which the listener already knows about. For example, the storybook she gifted me wasn't a, she knew that she had gifted me a storybook, but I am telling her that the storybook that you have given me is very interesting in nature. So this is the process where the is being used in the sentence to refer to a noun which the listener already knows about. Third one, the is used to refer to a unique thing. The is used in the sentence to refer to a unique thing. For example, the sun rises in the east. Sun is only one and unique in nature. The is used in the sentence to express sun, which is unique in nature, and here it is used. Second one, the earth revolves around the sun. That means the earth, the sun, which is universal, which is one, which is unique in nature, the is being used. Fourth rule, the is used with adjectives in superlative. The is used in the adjectives which is having the superlative form. Shikha is the most intelligent girl in the class. The is used before most intelligent, which is the superlative form. Okay. Second, the highest. Okay. Highest is the superlative degree where the is used. So this is the use of the before the superlative degree in adjectives. Rule number 5. The is used with the name of mountains, river, oceans. Okay. What happened? The is used before the mountains, rivers and oceans which are famous. For example, the Himalayas are home to many animals in the and many species of animals. So the Himalayas. Okay, this is the use. The Ganga is a wide river. Ganga, which is very famous river. The Ganga is a wide river. Rule number 6. The is used before the names of famous buildings, trains and ships. For example, the Taj Mahal is an architectural marvel. So what happened? Taj Mahal is a very famous monument and the is being used before it. Okay, now these are 6 rules where the is used and how it is used and before what we use. These are the rules. Second is not to be used, where the is not used. Now we will see where the is not used. The is not used with the names of most mountains. For example, Mount Everest, Mount Elbrus and so. Examples are Mount Everest and mountains. There are many mountains where the is not used. Names of continents. Many continents are there where the is not used. Uncountable nouns, for example, rice, milk, oil, water, the cannot be used. Second is abstract noun. What is abstract noun? It is feelings, emotion, childhood, happiness, sadness, where the is not used. So, I hope you have understood the 4 articles given in this chapter. What are they? Indefinite articles, definite articles, use of a, use of an, use of the. Rules to understand the use of the, where to use and where not to. Use of a, where is a use, where is an use. An is used before the words which are a vowel, but they are pronounced as the sound effects comes as consonants. Okay, so I hope that you have understood the articles in a very better way with the rules, and I hope that this explanation can be clear for you all. In the next video, I would like to give a new chapter. Till then, thank you.